that decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Like this question will come in exam for SSC board. One of the equation is given. They ask to identify whether the given equation is quadratic equation or not. What is the trick for observing the given equation is quadratic equation, identifying given equation is quadratic equation or not? Now first of all we have to see the given equation is in standard form or not. What is our standard form? Standard form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is our standard form. Each and every student have to learn this standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Now first equation is given 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, in which we have to identify first of all what is the variable. What is the variable? In it, x is the variable. X alphabet is used for writing this quadratic equation. And in this equation, x is having index 2 or power 2. That's why the given quadratic equation is the quadratic equation in x variable having index 2. Index 2 means what? Power of x should not be greater than 2. Then and then it called as a quadratic equation. That means x is the variable which is present in quadratic equation, which is having index or power 2 only, not greater than 2. Any equation which is having greater than 2 power, it should not be considered as a quadratic equation. Now second equation is given 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0. Just now in earlier video I have told you to identify the three rules. The given equation, if it not contains b, or equation is like this, given 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0, just we have to try to write down this equation in standard form. First square term 9y square plus single y term is absent, that's why we can write like, instead of b we can write 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. That means 0y means nothing is written here. Now 9y square plus 5 is equal to 0. It can be written in the standard form like this, 9y square plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we can say that this is the quadratic equation in y variable. Now dear students, please understand, variable means any of the alphabet, and whichever alphabet is used in the equation we have to write below the given quadratic equation in which variable, such as x variable, y variable. Understand now? Now so this is second one is also quadratic equation. Now third one is given in this bracket form. Two different brackets are given. In between these two brackets there is no sign, that means we have to multiply it. We have to multiply these two terms and we have to bring out into the standard form. Thus how to multiply? This first term of first bracket will multiply with first term of second bracket, and then first term of first bracket will multiply with second term of second bracket, just like this, L into L. Now minus L into 5, L5. Now plus sign. Now these 2 will multiply with L and these 2 will multiply with 5 also. 2 into L, 2L. This minus sign, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. Like this we have done the multiplication. L into L becomes L square minus L5 plus 2L. 5L minus 2L becomes minus 3L, because 5L is having negative sign, it is the greater number. Now we can write 5L also here. L5, 5L is one of the equivalent term. 5L and 2L, minus 5L plus 12, minus plus becomes minus, this will be 3L. and this minus 10 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. We can write this is quadratic equation in L variable. That's all.